from a nutritional standpoint, Bcaa does have a promising effect on muscle recovery and exercise performance. It has to be strategically used, but it's always food first policy. There has to be a balanced diet, there has to be adequate proteins in your diet, and then in specific conditions where the need of Bcaa is highlighted, we can use it as a supplement for muscle repair, growth, and facilitate the progress of gym goers. Overconsumption of Bcaa can disrupt your body's delicate balance of amino acids and potentially lead to unwanted side effects. And the cost involved in supplementation, if you outweigh against the nutrient-rich foods, definitely we know that which is better. As a dietitian, I've seen the benefits of Bcaa supplementation when integrated into a well-rounded diet and exercise routine. However, it's important to remember supplements should complement, not replace the food. Second, I always encourage to get educated, to know the priority of the diverse food in our diet and complement the food with various nutrients. Add proteins in every meal, a good quality protein and a combination protein. First-class proteins like lean chicken, fish, egg whites, dairy to a limited amount, legumes, etc. so that they give you a bouquet of nutrition in a holistic manner, and that helps us to have a better performance and health. And lastly, I advise the approach to Bcaa supplementation with caution. Remember why your body needs it. You should know the goals of taking supplementation, the duration of supplementation, the quantity of supplementation. Bcaa is useful if taken in right doses when your body needs it, but not everybody needs the supplementation. Consult a RD, registered dietitian, or a healthcare professional to help you to provide personalized guidance and support.